Holding your breath while swimming is very different than holding it like this, not moving. So, to get better at underwater dolphin kick or controlling your breathing patterns while swimming, you must do these following exercises. Remember that you must never do these exercises without professional supervision. Shallow water blackouts are very dangerous, so don't push yourself to the point where you feel like you will pass out. Usually, when we get tired, we start breathing way too often, and our stroke technique starts to fall apart. On this video, I will give you some exercises you can do to get more comfortable with that excess carbon dioxide and the lack of oxygen in your lungs. Our goal is to do 25s underwater, or as they are often called, shooters. The easiest way for you to try, even if you haven't done them, are breaststroke pullouts. So, try doing the whole 25 underwater. Go as far as you can and come up if you can't hold your breath any longer. But don't stop. Keep swimming to the other side. Do 5 of these, resting as much as you need. Then, put fins on and try doing the whole 25 underwater, but this time doing butterfly kick. If you know how to do the butterfly kick, this should be easier. And if not, it is good practice. Obviously, the slower you kick, the longer it will take you, but the easier it will be to go further, because your legs will consume less oxygen and produce less carbon dioxide. So start slow and then increase the speed. Do 5 25s, resting between 20 and 30 seconds if you're able. Up to now, we have been doing easy-paced shooters, but you would never swim a 50 or 100 in a competition slowly. So let's practice at a fast pace. Swim 4 25s sprint without taking a breath, or at least trying not to. Resting 20 to 40 seconds to catch your breath. Swim at least 100 meters backstroke to get your breathing pattern back to normal. We will finish this set by doing 4 25s butterfly without taking a breath, resting 10 seconds less than in the last set. So, if you rested 30 seconds on the freestyle ones, try resting 20 for these ones. Another important part is not losing speed on the turn, and sometimes our breathing messes that up. So, try doing 4 50s, but don't take a breath for 6 strokes before the turn. Then, do the flip turn and breathe until the second stroke after the turn. Now do another 4 50s, doing 2 strokes without taking a breath before the turn, plus 5 or 6 underwater dolphin kicks, and breathe on the second stroke. If you feel like you can do shooters very comfortably and you're sure that there's a certified lifeguard watching you, try doing 50s underwater with breaststroke pullouts or dolphin kick with fins. This is more than you will ever need to do really, but they are good to get used to the uncomfortable feeling of wanting to take a breath. Remember to come up for a breath if you feel dizzy or weak. To make the video shorter, we didn't include warm-up or warm-down, but if you want it, you can download the whole workout on a PDF format on the link in the description. And if you want a 10 workout program that will make you a faster swimmer with tangible results and 100% money back guarantee, click here and use promo code LONGS at checkout for a 10% discount. If you find value in our videos, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time, skillers. Swim fast.